tell you what, I've been waiting a while to do this video, and I am pumped up to tell you that a product that was discontinued a while ago, a couple of years, is back. Let's go. And the product that I am talking about is Lockout keys. Now, if you have no idea what I am talking about, don't worry, I'll show you a demonstration here in just a minute. But before I show you the demonstration, let's talk about like what are lockout keys and what are they used for. Now, lockout keys are a great, quick, and easy way to temporarily restrict access to a lock. I don't know, maybe there's a construction project going on and you don't want anyone to get into the room, office, or building. Maybe someone needs to keep some kids out of a room for some reason that they normally have access to. There's a bunch of reasons that people have been trying to restrict access to locks. Well, I don't know, since locks were made, really. Now, we have them available in two different keys. We have for Schlage and Kwikset, and I'll get into a little bit more depth here in just a minute on those. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into a demonstration. And if you don't know how they work, well, you're gonna know here in just a minute. All right, now before I give you a quick demonstration, let me show you what the keys look like and talk about each one of them. So this is gonna be the Kwikset lockout key right here. You'll see there's a bottom and a top piece. And this is gonna work with both Kwikset 5 and 6 pin locks. All right, and I'm gonna give you a demonstration of that here in just a minute with this. And then this is the Schlage version of this key. Now this is cut on the Schlage L keyway, which means it's gonna work for essentially all of the Schlage keys you're gonna see on the market today, starting with Schlage C keyway, which is your standard SC1 or SC4 key, all the way to K. C through K is gonna use this. It's kind of like a composite key you can see down there. You can see it really is gonna hopefully cover just about every type of Schlage you'll encounter here. But once again, there's a bottom piece and there's a top piece. And like I was saying, it doesn't matter if the lock you need to restrict access to is a 5 pin or 6 pin. This key will cover it. Now, let me go ahead here and so this is just a standard residential egg-shaped knob using a Kwikset keyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the key out and I'm gonna grab the Kwikset lockout key. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna stick this bottom piece into the lock. Now, when I do that, once you get it pushed in, you're not gonna be able just to pull it out. And the reason is because if you look at how the cut is here, what's happening is the bottom pins are pushed down right here. And so when you try to pull this bottom piece out, they're staying in place by the bottom pins. And so when the lockout key is in there and it's stuck, if you were to try to take your normal key that works the lock, you're not gonna be able to get it in because, well, the bottom piece of the lockout key is in there, and that's how you restrict access. Now, when the time comes and you want to remove the restriction to this lock, you're gonna just go ahead and grab the top part of the key. You're gonna go ahead and push it in here like that. And then you're gonna grab the bottom and the top kind of together here, which is just right on the bottom. I'm gonna use 2 fingers to kind of hopefully keep my fingers out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna gently just pull it out like that. So you can see it has the bottom and the top right there. Then of course, once it's out, access goes back to normal. All right, so there you have it. That is the new lockout keys we have back in stock. That's how they work. And of course, I'll put a link in the notes below where you can check out their listings on our website. But of course, I would love to know, what applications have you found the lockout keys most useful for? Could be interesting. I'd like to hear. Please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Well, I guess this is the end of the video and it's time for you and I to part ways until next time. But hey, before you go, I really do want to make sure that you know that when you comment on our videos and you include the hashtag Lockboss, you automatically get hooked up to win cool stuff that we give away live here on YouTube every Tuesday. So we'd love to have you join us. We'd love to have you comment, and I look forward to reading them soon.